on, let's see that. We're on the record in cause number 320936, the state of Texas versus Matthew Joseph Wiley. Mr. Matthew Joseph Wiley was scheduled to be in court today at 9 a.m. for the court's announcement docket, and today's date is January 6th of 2021. Mr. Wiley's name was called by the court's bailiff at or about 9 a.m. He did not answer. Mr. Wiley has not appeared in court. Mr. Bailiff, will you please call the name of Matthew Wiley again?
Matthew Wiley. Matthew Wiley.
Mr. Wiley's name was just called again by the court's bailiff. The time is 11:20 a.m. on today's date of January 6th of 2021. He did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Wiley an opportunity to be in court. However, he did not appear. Therefore, his bond will be forfeited. Ms. Ramos, does the state have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, no objections from the state. Mr. Wiley's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest. Now we move to our last case that's remaining on the court's trial docket. We're on the record in cause number 326234, the state of Texas versus Brandon Roberson. Mr. Brandon Joseph Roberson was required to be in court this morning at 10 a.m. for the court's trial docket, and today's date is January 6th of 2021. Mr. Robeson's name was called at or about 10 a.m. by the court's bailiff. He did not answer, and Mr. Robeson has not appeared in court this morning on this case. And for the record, Mr. Robeson's attorney, Mr. Antoine Freeman, has not appeared in court either. Mr. Bailiff, will you please call the name of Brandon Roberson again?
Brandon Roberson. Brandon Roberson. Response, Your Honor.
Mr. Robeson's name was just called by the court's bailiff, and the time is 11:22 a.m. on today's date of January 6th of 2021. He did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Robeson an opportunity to appear in court. Therefore, his bond will be forfeited. Ms. Ramos, the state have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. No objections. Mr. Robeson's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest. And this will conclude the calling of the court's remaining cases on the announcement docket, which was set at 9 a.m., and the court's trial docket, which was set at 10 a.m. on today's date of January 6th of 2021. And this will conclude the calling of the court's docket.